Compound adjectives are two words joined together to describe someone or something. They are super handy when talking about personality, for example. So let's look at some positive and negative ones with examples. Let's start with positive traits. Easygoing. Easygoing is someone who's relaxed and doesn't worry too much. For example, Sarah is so easygoing. She's always smiling, even in stressful situations. Open-minded, someone ready to listen to or accept new ideas. For example, Tom is open-minded and loves learning about different cultures. Well-balanced, someone who's calm and sensible, who doesn't get upset easily. For example, Lucy's well-balanced nature makes her great at solving problems. Laid back, calm and relaxed, someone who doesn't worry too much. For example, our teacher is laid back, so lessons are always fun. Let's have a look at negative traits. Absent-minded, someone who often forgets things because they are thinking about something else. For example, Mark is a bit absent-minded. He's always losing his keys. Big-headed. A big-headed person thinks they're more important or clever than others. For example, Emma became big-headed after winning that competition. Narrow-minded, someone who doesn't really like new or different ideas. For example, it's hard to discuss modern topics with someone so narrow-minded. Two-faced, someone who pretends to be nice but says bad things behind your back. For example, be careful with Jake. He can be a bit two-faced at times. A quick tip for you. Compound adjectives often have a hyphen between the words. When you learn them, try using them in sentences about people you know to remember the words better. And why don't you share some examples in the comments?